Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. My name is Jap Jeso P. Bilbar from B. Ismar E3 Alpha. Today, I'll be discussing the relativism and absolutism. And my answer is, I believe that morality is relative, meaning it depends on the culture, time, and situation, and the people involved. What one group sees is right or wrong might not be the same for another. Our moral beliefs are shaped by where we grow up, the religion we follow, and the society we live in, and even our personal experience. For example, in some religion or some countries, it is considered respectful or for children to avoid eye contact with elders, while in other countries, looking someone in the eye contact looking in the eye is a sign of honesty and respect. Neither of these practices is absolutely right or wrong. They just reflect different cultural values. This shows that moral rules are not fixed. They adjust by the tradition and understanding of each community. Moral relativism teaches us to be open-minded and understanding, instead of judging others based on our own belief or standards. We will try to see things from other point of view. It reminds us that what we think is moral might not be always the same for others, and doesn't automatically make them wrong, just different. However, this doesn't mean the morality disappears or that anything is acceptable. Most cultures still agree on some universal values like helping others, being honest, and avoid harm. The difference lies in how these values are practiced or interpreted. So, morality is not absolute because it changes with time, culture, and situation. It is relative, shaped by the human experience and the diversity of our world. This helps us to understand and respect the moral belief of others while still living according to our own. Now, I can give you one thing example can represent moral relativism. This mirror. Mirror, when different people look into a mirror, they each see a different reflection, their own face, background, and angle. In the same way, different culture or individuals see morality from their own perspective, what looks right or good. The person might look different to someone else because their experience and beliefs shape what they see. Just as there is no single correct reflection in a mirror, there is no single moral truth that apply to everyone or everywhere. Morality reflects our society, culture, and personal point of view. Thank you.